Hello, fellow experimenters. What we have here today is a short demonstration, more of a show and tell of the latest zero force motor. And what we've done here is we've outfitted this particular unit with two coils. You have one coil behind the straps, and moving on to the other side, we have an identical coil. They're opposed 180 degrees apart. And internally, we have a 6-pole rotor, as you can see right here. And this unit, the coils themselves, have a total resistance with the wiring pattern that we have of 1.25 ohms. Rather low, but interesting. The wiring pattern, as you can see, is we have each coil set of wires, quadfilar, are wired in parallel. Then the wiring is attached to the other coil in series. Everything else is pretty much the same as we've done in the past with the bipolar switch here, and also having our TET amp sensor. We're driving this with essentially our normal power supply, and watching everything on the scope here on this Handtech unit, which has been pretty handy. So what we'll do is we'll crank this up, and I'll just demonstrate actually its no load speed. It'll be about 4,500 RPM, and it'll be utilizing probably very close to 13 watts of power. So here we go. So you can see how it takes off. Take a look at the oscilloscope at this point. Very stable pattern, as you can see, and the amperage right now is about 0.51. It'll drop down to about 0.46 once it warms up. So you see that this puppy works. It's running right now at 4,500 RPM, and just to show you, you see it's still steadily climbing, but after it warms up it'll be at 4,500. Okay, so much for the motor. Let me explain a couple of things. It's the back EMF pattern that you see. So in actuality, we've run a series of tests or experiments with this particular arrangement, and the outcome of it has been very promising, in that this twin coil design will pull 60% efficiency on a regular basis with loads from 900 grams up to 1,525 grams. So this is a promising start with this particular modification, and we'll see as things progress how it reacts. We're going to change the wiring and play with that for a while to see what kind of reaction the motor has to it. Anyway, thought I would share this with you. Again, it's preliminary, but a very promising preliminary start. Again, 60% efficiency at this point. Didn't think I'd reach it, but go figure. Anyway, appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.